Okay, so moving on to the third question. Here the solubility of nitrogen gas in water at 300 Kelvin and 500 torr partial pressure is given. So simply if you imagine the situation here, we have a container filled with water. Now the solubility of N2 gas means nitrogen gas must be present above this water surface. Okay, so this is the N2 gas and its partial pressure of N2 is given to be 500 torr. Now because of this pressure, nitrogen will get dissolved in water, and that amount, how much nitrogen is dissolved in water, is expressed in terms of solubility, that is 0.01 gram per liter. It means if you take water equal to 1 liter and nitrogen above it has a pressure of 500 torr, then the amount of nitrogen that will dissolve in this amount of water will be 0.01 gram. Okay, so simply speaking, if at 500 torr pressure you are getting this much amount dissolved, then 500 has 0.01 gram solubility. Then 750 will have 0.015 gram per liter solubility, as simple as that. Okay, no calculation at all. So the answer should be third option. Now the fourth question, at very high pressures, the compressibility factor of 1 mole gas. So let's just start with the van der Waals equation, that is P plus n square A upon V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. Now since it is 1 mole, so you can just write it as P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Now at high pressure conditions, when the pressure is very high, volume is very low. If volume is very low, it means molecules are so close to each other that you cannot say that they occupy negligible space. Okay, it is as if in a room the amount of air molecules or the space occupied by the air molecules is negligible because the room has a very large volume. But if you increase the pressure and compress that room into the size of a matchbox, then you cannot say that the volume occupied by the air molecules is negligible. Okay, so this part we have to consider V minus B, but since pressure is very large value of P plus this very small value, so this value can be neglected, since it's just like it is 1000, it is 1, so 1 can be neglected when added to 1000. Okay, so this gets simplified into P into V minus B is equal to RT. You just open it, PV minus PB is equal to RT, divide by RT, so you will get PV by RT is equal to 1 plus PB by RT. This is our compressibility factor Z. So Z comes out to be 1 plus PB by RT. So it's a very common question. It has been asked before in the JEE exams.